Welcome to the Dynamic Architecture Catalyst for 2020. Through our work with many service providers, we see a consistent imperative for CSPs to enrich their catalog of products and services to their customers, and they must do it quickly. To accomplish this, services need to be able to be designed and run in a dynamic manner. Benefits that the CSPs need to deliver include driving faster speed to market. New offerings need to be able to be designed and deployed much more quickly without manual intervention from catalog, network, and technology teams. Orchestrating across the full lifecycle. It is essential that the service lifecycle is unified across plan to build to operate, and operate to maintain. Enabling the delivery ecosystem. Operating companies need to be able to operationally expose their products and services through the marketplace, making those components available to support their network of partners. Unifying both industry and ITIL standards, and bringing together the TM industry standard APIs and ITIL best practices to seamlessly enable both service delivery and assurance. Dynamically deploying offers without code, further enabling rapid onboarding without engaging and coordinating multiple technical teams. And lastly, providing end-to-end service assurance to make sure that the best experience is provided for each new service activation. It is to deliver on the promise of these benefits that have set the mission for this Dynamic Architecture Catalyst. To demonstrate that we can successfully deliver on this mission, we are interlocking capabilities from 3 partners to dynamically federate service definitions across 3 areas: model-driven networks, dynamic BSS, and an ITIL CMDB. As CSPs strive to deliver on the promise of a model-driven architecture, they must be able to dynamically define, quote, fulfill, bill, and assure any product in their catalog. It's essential. Ensuring the dynamism across all parts of the CSP, integrated via standard TM open APIs, promises to ensure that CSPs can become fully data-driven across all their business domains. Vodafone and Telstra are seeking to ensure consistency across fulfillment, billing, and assurance domains. And I suspect many more CSPs out there have the same need to ensure consistency and visibility throughout their business, maintaining their ability to deliver anything that a customer orders, to bill for it correctly, and to be able to support it throughout its life cycle. Being able to rapidly onboard new services and products and to have the complete flow-through of those specifications is key to providing a service that will keep customers coming back to buy more products. Vodafone in particular is looking for consistency in the way that they support their customers while capitalizing on the benefits of this catalog-driven architecture.
The key question we're looking to answer with this catalyst revolve around the CSP's ability to dynamically assemble, order, and support products without the need for IT support. We plan to use TM MEF, and ITIL standards to demonstrate that this problem can be solved through the use of well-established standards and provide a solution that is able to deliver on the promise of speed to market. Our participants for this catalyst include Deloitte Consulting, who are helping to align the work with industry pressures and trends, DGIT Systems, whose Telflow catalog-driven order management platform provides a SID-aligned and certified fulfillment capability, ServiceNow, who will provide an ITIL-aligned assurance platform and CMDB to capability needed to support customers in their use of a CSP's products, and Fujitsu, who are providing their service orchestrator to handle the service level of fulfillment and inventory needs within the project, standing up VNFs using Etsy Mano-based architecture to instantiate the SD-WAN services as ordered by customers. DGIT Systems provides BSS software for quote order bill powered by our open catalogue. The functions provided within this catalogue include quoting, ordering and fulfillment, order decomposition into components, and active product inventory. The design time journey through DGIT includes learning network models, using our visual catalogue to build an offer, and synchronizing service specifications with the CMDB templates. The runtime journey includes Telflow configure, price and quote, performing live pricing, Telflow order manager processing the order, active inventory, maintaining a record of services which are then pushed in turn to CMDB, and Telflow decomposing the products to send service orders to the network service orchestrator.
ServiceNow is a vendor of cloud-native platform that drives business process automation. We enable our customers to streamline internal processes by running workflows through the enterprise and orchestrate data between modern and legacy systems. By using ServiceNow, our customers optimize the user experience of both employee and customers in business and consumer. We currently count over 400 service providers as our customers, with business across IT, customer care, and core networks. Many of our telecom customers have told us that they want more end-to-end visibility of the services that their customers are using, from network all the way to their customers. One of the key enablers for us to drive this visibility is the data we store on our platform, which facilitates our capability of linking service-impacting network issues to the experience of the customer, but also drives many of the embedded AI and machine learning productivity features. We provide these capabilities today, but admittedly, in most customers, those services are manually configured on our platform. In collaboration with industry partners Deloitte, DGIT and Fujitsu, we are seeking a solution to automate the process from service definition, order and activation into assurance. And we do this by leveraging the TMForumand open APIs. In order for ServiceNow to assure services that customers are using, we need to know what the services are that the network provides and which of those services are being used by what customers. That is exactly why the integration with customer and service order management solutions from DGIT and Fujitsu is of value, as they have the information for those products and services available in the network that are offered, ordered and used by customers. The integration that we are experimenting with uses the different TMForumand open APIs across catalog, order and inventory for both products and services. The benefit to a vendor like ourselves is that we can leverage industry-defined standards to integrate with a multitude of vendor solutions that we would find in our telecom customers. Another benefit that the open APIs provide us is the ability to create a layer that lets us ingest and expose data in an industry-aligned manner. As the REST native ServiceNow platform already support the automated creation of open API interfaces by processing the TMForumand machine-readable Swagger files, the focus of this project is primarily around the mapping of data on these interfaces. The outcome of this project will feed into telecom-specific product innovation of the ServiceNow platform that can be utilized by our customers and partners to deliver services to market quicker.
Service Orchestrator is providing the dynamic controls for end-to-end service and resource lifecycle management, and that is across multi-domain environments, so cloud, RAN, transport, and IP. But in particular, we are focused on an SD-WAN enterprise service and the VNFs that make up that service. We utilize the Orchestrator to design the service models and automate the delivery of the network configuration and activation downstream to the resources required. We're leveraging the TMForumand open APIs through all of the layers of ODA in order to simplify the product offer creation and delivery of the customer services. And we also do the management of the VNFs, including tracking, healing, and scaling of the services. We utilize the Fujitsu Mano capability for VNF Management that performs the network service and resource orchestration and includes network service chaining. It has all of the VNF lifecycle management of the VNF instances, so that includes the onboarding of VNF instances, or the onboarding of the VNF packages, the instantiation of those packages, the testing, the scaling, updating, upgrading, terminating, and all of the resource management associated with that. And we integrate down to the Vim controller for compute, storage, and network. And we follow at the resource level the ETSI open API interfaces. For VNF Management, we are doing dynamic integration of service and resource management of our virtualized services. Today, we see in the market there are dynamic challenges that require automation of all processes for real-time variations. Fujitsu's Orchestrator is managing these challenges over the multi-domain networks. We are creating the service models for the dynamic product offer creation to combine with the other enterprise offers in the Catalyst, and also performing the runtime controls for policy controls for scaling and healing to perform the closed loop operations. We're doing catalog-driven orchestration to automate the configuration and instantiation of the virtual network functions, and we're utilizing the open APIs from TMF to do the discovery of the service models by the ODA Core Commerce Management via the catalog.
Within the Catalyst project, we're looking to bring together the standards and thinking from both the TMForumand MEF in the APIs used, as well as the definition of the SD-WAN based products and services. We want to demonstrate how we can dynamically define products and services to build the ITIL aligned CMDB capability. Naturally, we'll be using TMForum open APIs and standards to deliver a Catalyst environment that can deliver on the speed to market with zero coding required. So why are our champions interested in SD-WAN? Well, it enables them to be more agile and to rapidly provide new and innovative connection-based services to their customers that can capitalize on the wide range of connectivity options to take advantage of changing conditions within their network dynamically and optimize those connections in a secure manner to meet the changing needs of their customers. With growing interest in SD-WAN services by telcos all around the world, this Catalyst will show a seamless onboarding of SD-WAN services, assembly of products based on those services, ordering and fulfillment, and then assurance of those products and services. We've used the MEF 70 standard definition of SD-WAN services to define the underlay and overlay services needed to provide these SD-WAN products to enterprise customers. In a multi-country environment, you could potentially have opcos within each country providing underlay services such as the virtual circuit, edge and Uni services, but at a group level providing the overlay product offering that is sold to a customer. Our solution is comprised of 3 domains. DGIT, providing the master catalog and product order bill experience. ServiceNow, providing the ITIL assurance platform and single pane of glass for service management experience. And Fujitsu, providing the network service orchestration, assigning resources to network services and activations. The customer will have a self-management experience. Let's consider what happens when new capabilities are added to the network. First, the new service specification are defined within Fujitsu's service catalog, which automatically notifies through the service catalog API both DGIT's Telflow platform and ServiceNow. ServiceNow will create a template for the new service so that when instances are provisioned, it already understands what the service is and its characteristics. Telflow uses the service specifications to allow a product manager to rapidly assemble a new product offering that consumes that service, to price it and publish the new product specification so that customers can order it. Telflow will use the product catalog API hub to automatically notify ServiceNow that this new product is available and to save it as a template ready for a customer to order and assure. The catalog is the heart of our dynamism, ensuring consistent definitions of products and services to be used in fulfillment, assurance, and billing. These specifications drive the structure within the active inventory, which in turn drives the structure and relationships within CMDB and billing platforms. The PSR structure as defined within the catalogue and the relationships between products, services, resources, life cycles and processes all drive the runtime behaviours of the various domains within the telco. Now let's see design time for real. We've modelled the SD-WAN services utilising the SD-WAN underlay services discovered from Fujitsu's Service Orchestrator. A product manager has defined the relationships between our 4 services and the overlay product along with the product offering and its commercial name. Let's look at the Telflow catalogue to see how this is rendered within the catalogue. A product manager can rapidly assemble a new product and offering based on the discovered services to deliver the new SD-WAN product offering into market, with zero development and done completely by the product management team. Let's start by looking at the Fujitsu Service Orchestrator, and we can see that we have 3 specific SD-WAN services created: an SD-WAN circuit, an SD-WAN endpoint, and an SD-WAN uni. If we switch over to Telflow now and look in the Telflow product catalogue, let's have a look at our SD-WAN product, and we can see an SD-WAN access here. It has a number of attributes and relationships with other services. So what I want to do now is to create a new relationship with the SD-WAN uni service that was automatically imported from the Fujitsu Service Orchestrator. I'm going to put this specification into revision mode so that I can edit the specification, and I'm going to add a new aggregated relationship. We'll give it a cardinality of 1, so make it a mandatory relationship. And we're going to search for our service, and it's called uni, so we'll type that in, select the uni, and you can see that it's come up with that uni service. I'm going to hide this from the operators so that they have a less complicated view of the world. And we can see that we've created this relationship. The specification is still in draft, so I'll move that into a pipeline and then publish the specification. This has automatically created the service and product templates within the ServiceNow CMDB. When a customer places an order for our newly created product, that product must first be decomposed into its constituent services and resources by Digit's Telflow platform. That will send a service order southbound to Fujitsu's Service Orchestrator to provision the services as needed. Once provisioned, the Telflow Customer Order Manager will be notified via a response to the service order, and ServiceNow will be notified via the Service Inventory API Hub so that ServiceNow can populate the CMDB with information about this new service instance. Telflow will continue to fulfill the product, and once complete, it will notify ServiceNow via the Product Inventory API Hub that the product is now active. This will update the CMDB to allow the product to be assured. It will also update the relationships between the product instance and the service instances within the CMDB so that both customer-generated tickets and network-generated incidents can be assured appropriately. At this point, I'd like to invite you all to come along to our full demonstration video. Within that video, you will see order capture, decomposition of the product into services within the Digit Telflow platform, sending of those service orders southbound to Fujitsu Service Orchestrator, the fulfillment of those service orders, and the confirmation back that those services have been completely fulfilled back up to Telflow. You'll also see the inventory updates flow from both Digit's Telflow platform and from Fujitsu Service Orchestrator into ServiceNow's CMDB. And we'll have a little bit of a look at the CMDB records that are there ready for an assurance case to be created should some issue occur with those services. This demonstrates the full end-to-end from onboarding of new services, the creation or assembly of new products and offerings, all the way through to provisioning of those products and offerings in a dynamic way and populating the CMDB within ServiceNow dynamically so that those products and services can be assured without the need for large IT projects to get that information into the CMDB, without needing for the CMDB to use some sort of discovery agent to discover what's been created. They're automatically pushed in there. That becomes really important in this day and age where we have networks that can evolve underneath the product layers. So things like SD-WANs where you might stand up and tear down different VNFs, or 5G networks where you might be dynamically reallocating 5G spectrum to meet the needs of those customers. If you don't have those updates being pushed automatically into the CMDB, you have very little chance of that CMDB being completely accurate. And that's why this type of integration, this model-driven approach, becomes really important for telcos. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks to our champions Telstra and Vodafone Group. Thanks to all of our participants, Deloitte Consulting, DGIT Systems, Fujitsu and ServiceNow. Hope to see you at the demonstration booth. Please come along, have a chat, ask any questions that you might have, and we'll endeavour to answer those. Thanks again. Bye.